Hello, where are you? I know you're there. I can feel you here. What are you doing? You haven't escaped, you know.
Maybe you think you're helping yourself, but you're not. This isn't helping anyone. Someone is going to get badly hurt.
You're not a good person. You know that, right?
Okay, the test is over now. You win.
You don't even care, do you?
Congratulations. Was it worth it? Because despite your violent behavior, the only thing you've managed to break so far is my heart.
It's funny, actually, when you think about it. Someday we'll remember this and laugh, and laugh, and laugh.
Whoa.
Whoa.